Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need two ingredients to make this, and they are coffee and lemon. You can easily get these two ingredients. Both the ingredients are very healthy ingredients as they are rich in antioxidants. When it comes to coffee, you can go with instant coffee or regular black coffee. When it comes to the brand, it's totally optional. The caffeine in the coffee helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Lemon, on the other hand, boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Now let's check out how to make this healthy weight loss drink. Take a mug like this. To this, add a teaspoon of the instant coffee powder. You'll just need a tablespoon of lemon juice for this recipe. Half the lemon is more than enough. Squeeze in a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. To this, add 1 cup of hot water and mix it well with a spoon. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this on empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. You can go with any brand of your choice. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk it well with a hand blender. If you don't have one, go with a regular whisk, but it will take a little more time. Blend this in high speed. Continue to blend for 5 minutes until you get nice stiff peaks. Now it's nice and creamy, but we haven't got the stiff peaks, so continue to blend. And yes, now we have got nice and stiff peaks, so stop blending. Take a coffee mug, fill it with milk up to 3/4. Then add the Dalgona coffee cream on top. Top it with some instant coffee powder. If you want your coffee powder to be a little more strong, go ahead and add some more Dalgona coffee cream on top. Very refreshing and easy drink. So do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.